a spark-free cutting solution for rebar and steel rod without the cord. The MAKITA 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Rebar Cutter. The XCS01Z will cut up to 60 grade number 6 rebar with a cutting range of 1/8 inch to 3/4 inches and a cutting head that rotates a full 360 degrees. The long-lasting cutting blade provides up to 4,000 cuts before requiring replacement. It's an ideal solution for work away from a power source or in remote locations.
Yeah, the MAKITA rebar cutter is great. It saves a lot of time. A lot of state regulations don't allow us to use porches on certain job sites. I have uncles and cousins that are in the rebar industry that have their own companies, and I highly would recommend this tool to them.
The hard-working XCS01Z is equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. MAKITA 18V lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge time in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. It's part of the MAKITA 18V series, the world's largest 18V lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.